I choose not to play with this anymore. I'm settling on this size, and in a moment we will proceed to our feature presentation. Hard to get these two backgrounds to... Here we go. Giant Steps is always out front, and then she comes in and goes away. Comes and goes. This is too loud for me. I better adjust it. No knowing what my voice is going to sound like, if it even appears. He's in there. Jeez, I'd have to turn on to it. Maybe that's the way to go. That's where I started. I wanted that to be the featured presentation. Let me see. Wait, this one view. Look at this. One view. Shows all of my video blog. It's a short. Why isn't it here? Wait. I think he goes big. No, it's still fucking fucked up. Look at this. Bullshit. Doesn't let me drag it out of the picture. Speaking of which. What was that? Did I see a car seat in the corner? What the hell is happening there? I was filming for 2 hours and nobody else noticed anything as far as I could tell. I know, yeah. I would quit in Chicago. See a baby, a new baby for Christmas. To see this. Oh. Nobody else saw it. Nobody, I was there, I will witness. Alexi didn't either. He came in looking for me and my daughter. He told me he walked around for an hour or an hour and a half and we didn't run across each other. How can that be? Perhaps OBS is still recording. I didn't stop it, but I shut something off. Find out later. There, yeah, what was it, car seat? Oh, it's going to run around again, so. Here, I can even do this. Oh, playful mess. Oh, no, she's always in. I don't get to go find the rest of the thing off to the left. How's the camera fitting? It's not fitting. I mean, the screen is not fitting anymore. I hate this. You have to use 2 fingers to adjust the... That'll do. Little thing. Can't hear anything anymore. But here, let's move on. I've got control of that. Oh, I know what we can do. Or was that what I already tried? I can zoom in. Okay. Do some zooming. Wait for it. That's what you have to do. Don't get pushy. Listen to jazz and classic duking it out. Can you hear? I know it's going to get good, so I shouldn't be impatient. I might be able to follow steps. Look like steps. There she is. Hurry up. Get out there. Now it's just going I think that's got one view yesterday. I know what you do. You hashtag the upbeat, and according to CMA, I hate missing any of this, so we're getting on again. Okay, off to the next one. Off to the next show. Shit, I took so many and got so... Wait! Shit, look at this. See, now I'm pissed again. I don't get to see it all the way up? No, you don't. I have to make it... I don't know what to do. Yeah, it only comes... because it's short, it gets... How do I make it so that it's a real video and not have all the restriction of the short situation? It's fucked up. Promote this short, it says. I would love to. Without your financial help. This is incomprehensible. I mean, I was there. I was up close. I stared at it. And they're pretty generous with the space they let you be in. This is called CMA. Where do I put that? So that people can look for it here. I hate it. I'm dependent on my tech help. I like what's happening. But if I zoom in, yeah, we're all zoomed in. We're on the inside of the border I hate so much. You have to look for a picture in that picture. I couldn't ever find it. This just comes out nice. I think I can get even a little closer. We'll go through once. Yeah. Hey, Mr. Double. Anyone have any idea this is going on? I don't think I saw it in real life. Well, I might have been looking at my camera. No. Yeah. I don't know what I'm doing. I just know this is not going to get you far. The thing is that those were, I think, raised letters, must have been glued on, hundreds of lines of copy. What a project. And then he's got globs of paint that he... I don't remember. I stepped way back to see if I could see something. I still think I can, but I can't believe it anymore. Oh yes, we get to move on. We've got something. Let's watch this here. Oh, we're going to go back up to regular size. Close enough. Oh yeah. I just slightly, and there's more gone. Most of it. Yeah. Oh, I can't turn up the volume without. No. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. I just found out I could. Oh God, come on. See, I'm trying to get hold of the volume, and when I push up on the wheel, which usually turns up the volume, no, I paused it and tried to manipulate. Couldn't. Wait, maybe I can do this. Maybe this is the only way you can do it. Yes, that's fine. Is it? Is the volume raising any? No, Christ, a fucking joke I am. Shit. Incompetence is immeasurable. Right now we have a feature presentation. How might happen long? Doesn't need all those borders. It's all inside the board ready. I like that. I want to go for a minute. Just go over and over. I can see it again. See, you didn't notice the lens the first time, if that's what that is. He knows his light. Is that... I just slapped my mouse. Is that the front camera? Oh, this is gorgeous. I know I'm going to be zooming this because it is unbelievable. Real life is the only thing that does it justice. You got to go to, gotta be in Chicago to see it until April. Going somewhere else pretty following months, but here's where it is for now. Yeah, that was a nice merging. Oh yeah, am I going to manipulate this? My hands are full. Yeah, and I really want to get to that one, but wait. Yeah. I always make that mistake. I'm trying to zoom. There we go. Follow the picture out of the picture. The whole factory. Oh yeah, I love it again. Now here I bet I am losing some quality being so far back and using. Okay, let's do it this way. It's not going to go away. So I sort of can't screw this up. Even though I have my tripod legs not cooperating as usual. You don't put them down and you don't want to do that. Look at it straight when you play. Okay. Here, I'll pause it and then find the. No. Yeah. Maybe that's one. Is that one? Well, certainly. Oh. That's pretty cool. And I think that's no magnification. So we're giving it the best chance in this overlit room. No. I want it closer. It is not the best it can be because I can be doing it closer. And the resolution would get better elsewhere. But there is such a big difference in those bass are just so problematic. They never sound like they're in tune. If you can hear them, but you never can. Yeah, it's just slurring across, I can tell. We'll see it later when we get the results back. Oh yes, and I have another we haven't even touched on yet. I'll find that. Oh, we don't need to do that. Oh wait. No, we don't need to do that. Hold on, no, it's under there. This features me. There I am. Hold on, if he doesn't. Yeah, he's all in the picture still. Okay, we'll follow this through. Just see what happens for fun. See if things are lost or made mysterious or anything. Okay, here merges. We get that. Sure. Still. He's off to the edge. I gotta move it. Not gonna work. Ah, shit. I can always go back. Isn't that the wonder of one at about there. Can we get it there? Okay. Oh, there, he got that. No, he didn't get it. I'm gonna have to move my camera in. Yeah, that's good enough. Fuck this. It's not why I'm here. But I'm so concerned about the video quality suddenly after 850 videos in 10 years, and I noticed that shit. Alright, let's look at that. That's not. Oh yeah. I've got two Dollar Tree up the street. Marked down to like 25%. Boy. And I sent it off to my doctor for Christmas. Well, yeah. Too late for Halloween, so she can't really use it. She had it out for my aggrandizement when I just went up to visit on Christmas week. Oh, look at that light show. I do this just to let you know. I have nothing better to do. More that to the CMA. Maybe I'll put a still in somewhere. Still know me. They all know me. All the guards were young black people, so nothing was missed. I didn't see a huge upswing, but uptick. I saw one video went way off. Not sure why the others didn't. Maybe they knew her name. They have a video of her on the website. Yeah, here we go. I think she takes one more swing. I'm threatening if she doesn't get this one again, 2, she'll have to do 5 in a row. She says, still hooked. Yes, ma'am. Because I've been trying to get her to do that for me for years. Hold on. I can't understand. Oh, because those first art things were already YouTube's, and I'm looking for another one that. There it is. We're there. Okay. Let me see how I'm going to cover this. I just do. I have to make it as normal size as possible and deal with. There it is. There's one. Too close. Okay. Let's move back. Got those damn leg issues again. Snap them, because then later you have to unsnap them. If you want to move around without entanglement. Yeah, too far now. Yeah, that's one. Okay, where is it? Where's the? Oh, yeah, we gotta get that border out of there. Yeah, these are shorts, and I have not figured out how to demand that they be full size or considered full size and put up with that crowd. See, now I am too close, but you never tell until you try. There. I'm gonna settle pretty soon. Just once I got that black and white out of there. Okay, all right. I hope I like this. I never got. I mean, if I could only go back. I didn't get everything out of it I should have. Would have. See, why am I? Oh, I know. Look at this. We didn't do this yet. Here I go. Oh, we're gonna get a lot. No, we're not. Are we gonna get any more? Nope. Wrong dong. Never be sure you don't like what you're looking at. Bam! That's pretty nice. I like it in context. Tells me I'm too close again. Who's that? Oh, see, I could have stayed all day just on this. She has a remarkable essay in a video that appears at the CMA, on the CMA. I think that maybe it's not CMA. Chicago Museum of Art, maybe. Usually they put in the word modern. But I think it's all, I know it is. Must be CMA. Yeah. Go to their website, and she has an essay. She has a whole room, and these things, when you're up close, they are just these incredible paper projects. It almost seemed like there was a paper attached to a substrate that was just as organic. But what is this? I'm a kid, I love it. But someone knows how to do it. I grew up in Indian country, Great Falls, eastern Montana. I heard George Carlin talk about now known North American natives. Nobody's native, he says. Indians, that's what they thought. Oh, and it has a cool name. I mean, when you break apart the sentence for what it means, for its meaning, it's perfect. So I get to continue saying Indian. Because I was a Western fan in my youth. And I'm sure the nation knows how much we love them. I got to walk in fields and daydream that I was the first white person ever set foot. I mean, their ghosts were my favorite companions. I'm having thoughts about it now. Those weren't thoughts back then. Hold on. Am I getting it? Can't watch through the lens because it puts up all these dots and dials. I complain about this several times. But don't do anything better. Anything at all today. Looks like. I'll have to look up my friend again. Cut me off. You won't get tired of this because it changes constantly. The music is never the same. Oh, look at that one realistic thing there. First time I noticed anything like that. She's from Minnesota. All our people came from there. I said before Montana. My dad sold school supplies to the people on the reservation. I avoided using any words, but don't feel any better about it. I should give up. Yeah, I'm just my father. Turned out he wasn't a friend. And I saw him talking to these people his whole life. Not really there. I remember one trip I got to go home with him. He used to always taking business trips, driving all around the state. Oh, Luke. See, you knew it'd be different. Look. So I'll send this off to CMA and see if they want to slash my budget. In other words, fight my ass. I want people to see this. She was about landscape and the violence of it or something. I will not claim, quote. That's how I got in trouble with this guy I was saying just now I wanted to try and find again after 5 years. I read something on a video. So he'd be my most personal. You go back to that. I just thought of this. I have some new videos of my own. I get to go get them. It should be on videos. Oh shit, they made them into shorts, man. Yeah, this is nuts. The ones I just put up today, did I? Could that have gotten 500 views? I don't remember. I'm ready. Not important to this. Oh yeah, this is yesterday. Let's refresh. Just discovered 55 views. Nope. Latest host videos. I wish there were videos. Nope. See, I'm still fucked up. I don't know what these are. Did I put a playlist out of them? No. Of course. Not at all. Such an unreliable. You have work to do. I thought I uploaded these. I don't care anymore. Can't. Almost 500. Okay. I'm out of the business. That's what I am. Oh yeah. We get to try other things. There, I already added up. Wait, let's do this. Hold on. There's nothing to see there. Where am I? Wait a minute. Be done with the movie in a moment. I have to try my luck with all these I've seen so often. And I'm challenging myself to see them for the first time again. And I want to believe that could be done. And so I keep giving it a chance. Okay.